Alright everyone, so till now we have completed the routing and also we have set up the some basic global CSS. Now in this video we are going to start the navbar component. So for that let's go to the navbar index.jsx, and first what I'll do, I'll just create one simple component here. So this will be import React from React, and then let's give it as const navbar, and we'll return here div, and then inside of this we have to take the nav. So this will be the main nav wrapper, and here I'll give class name as navbar. All right, and another important thing I forgot to mention is that we have to install another package, and that is React icons. So that React icons package is basically used to use any kind of SVG icons in your application, and that is very useful. So that's why I'll just install React icons. That's it. But before writing some of the things, let's go to the final version, and here we'll analyze some points. So now if I just, you can see that if I just go to the responsive version, this is getting changed to an icon if the width is less than 769. So if I just increase the width, you'll see that we are getting the menus now. So basically what we have to do, the first thing is that we have to create one logo component, and then we have to create this data, and on click of each and every link we have to go to that particular route. For example, if I just click on this about page, this is going to about page that we have created while creating the routing. So first thing, we have to create the data, and to create that, the best option will be, what you can do inside this navbar component, you can create another file, and this will be, for example, config.js. all right, and here what you have to do, we have to create the data. So I'll just give here nav menus, and this will be array, and here basically what we have to do, we have to give that key and value pair. So we'll take it as label, so this will be, for example, home, and then we have to give the route path. So I'll just give here 2, so this will be slash. So that means the label will be home, and it should go to the slash route. So I'll just copy this, and then I'll paste it 6 times because we have total 6 pages, 4, 5 and 6. And now the next will be about me page, and this will be about, we have skills page, and this will be skills. Then we have resume page, and this will be resume. Then we have portfolio page, and this will be portfolio, and at the end we have the contact page, and this will be contact. Now to use this in our index.js, what we have to do, basically we have to export this, and this is done. Now if I just save this, and we'll go back here, and we have to import that while creating the menus. So the next thing what we are going to do, the first thing is that we'll take another div here, and this will be having a class name of navbar __ container. So this will be the main container. And next what you have to do, we have to create that logo, the main logo. So if I just go back, you'll see that this is the main logo for our application. So to use that, we have to first import something from React Router DOM, and the reason is that, for example, you can see that we are currently in the about page. Now if I just click here, it is going to the home page. So to achieve this functionality, we have to import another component, and this is basically link from React Router DOM, and this link will take one property mandatory, and this will be 2. So that means we want to tell this link component that whenever I'll click on that home icon, I want to go to this particular route. So basically our home component. So now the next thing, we have to import that icon. So to use that icon, what I'll do, I'll just import something from React icons, and the package name will be FA, and here the icon name will be FA React. All right, and next we have to take this this will be FA React, and this will take a size property. So for now we'll give size as 30, and also let's give this a class name, and the class name will be navbar hyphen hyphen container hyphen hyphen logo. That's it. Now if I just save all of this, and at the end we have to just export this component, so there will be export default and navbar. And next what we have to do, we have to go to this app.js, and here basically we have to import this navbar component. So this will be navbar. Now if I just save all of this and let's go back, and you can see that we are getting the icon here if you notice carefully. All right, so this is done. Next thing what we have to do, basically we have to create all the menus. So we have 6 menus, so let's do that. So for that I'll just come here and I'll take one eval here. So this will be unordered list, and let's give a class name here. So we'll give class name as, for example, navbar hyphen hyphen container hyphen hyphen menu. All right, and now what we have to do, basically if you remember, we have already created these nav menus, so we have to map it, and then based on that we have to create all the menus. So we'll just take nav menus, and this will be automatically imported from config, and this will be dot map, and here we have to take the item and the key. And what we want to return here, we want to return li, and this li will be having a class name of, I'll just copy this, and this will be menu hyphen hyphen item. That's it. And next what we have to do, basically we have to take the link component again, because we want to go to that particular route, and then at the end we just have to render item dot label. So if I just go here, you'll see that we have a label here. So this is done. Now next what we have to do, we have to give some key here for this li. So this will be key equal to key, and in this link we have to give the to property. So the to will be item dot to. So if I just go here, you can see that we have given this to. So basically it will, on click of that particular link, it will go to that particular route. And also we'll give a class name here. So let's give a class name of, I'll just copy this, and this will have a class name of item hyphen hyphen links, and this is done. So if I just save this, and let's check what we are getting, and you can see that we are getting now all the links. And now for example, if I just click on any of the link, you can see that it is going to the about page. Let's click on the skills page, and it is going to the skills page. If I just click on this icon, you can see that it is going to the home page, and this is done. Next what you have to do, for example, if you see here, if I just go back less than 769 in width, and you can see that these menus are getting changed to this icon, and on click of that we are getting these menus as a form of a model. So that we have to do, and let's do it in the next video, and after that we will be starting the CSS for this navbar.